Introduction to the laboratory. As you enter the lab, you will see on the right the fire extinguisher. Just behind that is the eye wash station and shower. As you enter, to the left is the distilled water machine and glassware drying rack. To the right of the sink, you'll find the sea sand, which is used for sand baths. If after an experiment your metal evaporating dish is hot, you can place it on a piece of cardboard to cool. As we make our way further into the lab, you'll see the fire blanket in this red box. Along the right side, you'll see the fume hoods. And to the left are the lab benches and lockers. Here in the lockers are where you can store things like your backpack or laptops. The hood on the right that is illuminated is the waste hood. As we make our way to the back of the lab, the blue and white container is where broken glassware goes, and just to the left of that is the orange bucket, where larger solid waste goes. The drawers in the back have useful equipment and are labeled accordingly. The back counter is where you'll find the analytical balances, and the oven, which can be used to dry glassware. The cork boards on either side of the dry erase boards often have useful information for experiments as well as safety information. Finally, here is the window to the stockroom where items may be exchanged between the stockroom and the lab. The fire extinguisher is inside this metal cabinet by the door. If you ever need to use the extinguisher, remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin at the top, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, sweep across the base of the fire. To the left is the emergency shower and eye wash station. Opening this compartment will fold out the eye wash station and it will automatically turn on. If you ever need to use the eye wash station, be sure to flush your eyes for at least 15 minutes. The emergency shower is activated by pulling this handle and will release water from the shower head in the ceiling. Introduction to the fume hood. A fume hood, also known as a fume cupboard, is a local ventilation device designed to limit exposure to hazardous fumes. First, turn on the light by flipping the switch on the top left. The handles are, from top to bottom, yellow, vacuum, abbreviated VAC, blue, natural gas, abbreviated GAS, orange, compressed air, abbreviated AIR, and green, cold tap water, abbreviated CW. This is mirrored on the other side of the hood. To function properly, the sash must only be open to a certain height. Match the arrow on the hood sash to the arrow on the side of the hood for proper working height. To use a hot plate, plug it into the outlet on the side of the hood. When you need to dispose of liquid waste, use the organic waste station. Keep in mind the quantity and type of waste you are disposing of. Organic, aqueous, and solid waste all have different containers. If you're unsure of where to dispose of waste, ask your instructor. Bring your waste over in the proper secondary container, such as a test tube rack or cork ring. Observe the level of the waste in the container. If it looks like it is full, let your instructor know so a new container can be provided. Unscrew the cap on the waste container, place the funnel on top, and pour your waste in. A small amount of acetone can be used to rinse out your glassware. Once finished, you should remove the funnel and replace the cap. How to dispose of solid waste and broken glass. During the course of your experiment, you will generate solid and liquid waste. There are several different waste containers to dispose of the different types of waste. Small solid waste, such as used filter paper, solid chemicals, and TLC plates, may be disposed of in this small solid waste container. Liquid waste should be disposed of as previously shown. To dispose of larger solid waste, such as plastic pipettes or contaminated paper towels, bring it to the orange solid waste container in the back of the lab. Broken glassware can be disposed of in the blue broken glass container. Please note this is only for broken glass and that you are responsible for cleaning and reusing your glassware. To remove your gloves, remember to pinch the inside of the cuff and pull towards your fingertips to turn the glove inside out. Then, dispose of your gloves in the used gloves waste container.